welcome to our road test of our 1965 MGB Roadster. Look at that first of all, with the lights on. Hey, look at that, isn't that cool? All working. So yeah, 1965 MGB Roadster. We're just giving it a little road test, just to see how it drives. It drives really well. It runs and drives very well. For a 1965 car, it's really nice. The gearbox is nice and slick and tight. Goes into reverse very easily as well. You know, we're driving along now and watching overdrive works a treat as well. So it works on third and fourth. So effectively, you've got 6 gears. But yeah, we're sitting here now, plodding along, 50 miles an hour with overdrive on, and it's lovely. Drives really well. Got the lovely wire spoked wheels on it, chrome wheels, which look smart. Chrome bumper model. Yeah, super. Lights are all working. Little map reading light works. Does need some titivation, let's put it that way. I've said it's a rolling project in my advert, and I guess you'd probably say it is. Structurally and mechanically, it's a great car. You know, it runs and drives very well. Cosmetically, you'd want to be doing some tidying up and doing some bits and pieces and some jobs around it. But it's a great foundation. It's a great starting point to be a really nice car. It's in the perfect colour, in the bright red as well. It really pops. Looks really smart. But it does need some bits and pieces doing on it. Hence the reason why we priced it the way we have. There is a nice folder of history with it, not going all the way back, but going back a long way. The former keeper had owned it for 12 years, and in that time has spent a significant amount of money on the car, not least because we are local to the MG Owners Club. He's been back there and had quite a large amount of money spent on it on structural work, so outriggers and various things like that. There's an invoice for £7,000 for a lot of work that was done. There's another invoice for a few £100s as well. I will photograph those actually and add them to the advert because they're quite useful to see. There's also, it's recently had a new hood frame. It does have the hood tonneau as well, or the cover. The hood itself is in pretty good condition. You know, we're driving along now, it's nice and tight and snug fitting. So it's got both the accessories for the hood and for the cover as well. So overall, a really nice little project, and could be an absolutely fabulous looking car. I've tried to put as many images up on the website as possible, and there's obviously the video of the walk around that we do as well. Some under the bonnet. It has got the Chem low fan upgrade, so it's got an additional cooling option with it as well. But if there is additional information that you'd like, I'm sure there's things that I haven't covered that you'd like to know about, then please do feel free to contact us at any time.